Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are reviewing Paymo, a platform which is designed to keep freelancers and team organized. But is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. So Paymo offers an intuitive dashboard where you can track tasks, deadlines, and time spent on projects. The UI is clean, but new users might need some time to explore the features. Once set up, it's smooth and efficient. You won't even know it. So, talking about customization and designs, you can customize task lists, workflows, and time tracking settings. But it also offers integrates with Slack, Google Drive, and QuickBooks, making it more flexible. However, the mobile app lacks some advanced customization options, which is a kind of downside of it. And if you talk about SEO and growth, it's great for freelancers, small teams, and agencies, which are looking for to manage projects and invoices in one places. But larger enterprises, larger companies might find it less scalable compared to platforms like Asana or ClickUp. Now, if you talk about pricing, right now they have this 40% off, which is going for first 3 months. So if you buy it, you can easily get it. And there's also no credit card requirement going on right now. So the basic plan basically starts at around $5.9 and it goes up to around like $16.9. And you can also compare the plans and their features if you want to right down here in the menu. So if you need a project management tool with built-in invoicing, Paymo is a solid choice. But if you prefer more automation or enterprise level tools, Clipper or Monday.com might be a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.